In this video, I will show you how to remove password from Windows 11. To get started from your desktop, what you want to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type settings and then open up your settings underneath best match. Once you've opened up your computer settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto accounts. And from here, you want to come down to the account settings section and click onto sign in options. Now from here, you want to look for the ways to sign in section, click onto the password option, and what that's going to do is bring up a box where you can change your password. Now to remove your password, you actually want to click onto the change button. What it's going to ask you to do first is enter your current Windows password. Once you've done that, click next at the bottom, and then it's going to take you to this screen asking you to enter a new password. Now to remove your password, if you just leave these password boxes blank, click next at the bottom and then click on to finish. It's going to say changing your passwords. And what that's effectively going to do is remove the Windows password from your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So you can see back on this screen now, we have a add button, which of course we can click if we do want to add a password back in the future, but that is how to remove passwords from Windows 11. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Windows 11 and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.